Did you know that a simple bottle of hydrogen peroxide could be your secret weapon to a healthier, more vibrant life? From boosting your immune system to enhancing your beauty routine, this everyday household item is hiding some mind-blowing health benefits you need to know about. Stick around, because number 7 might just change the way you think about health and wellness forever. Imagine having a powerful tool right in your medicine cabinet that can help with everything from teeth whitening to wound care, and even improving your skin health. Today, we're diving into 15 health and wellness benefits of hydrogen peroxide that everyone should know, and you won't want to miss a single one. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to living your best life. If you're passionate about health and wellness and want to stay ahead of the game, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Now, let's get into it. Hydrogen peroxide has been a staple in households for decades, but did you know it's much more than just a first aid kit essential? This versatile liquid is a powerful oxidizer that can help in various aspects of your health and wellness. With its antiseptic, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, hydrogen peroxide is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their health naturally and effectively. Let's explore how you can incorporate this miracle liquid into your daily routine. Benefits and how to use them. 1. Teeth whitening. Who doesn't want a dazzling white smile? Hydrogen peroxide has been a go-to for teeth whitening for years, and for a good reason. It's a natural bleaching agent that works to remove stains from the surface of your teeth. By mixing equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water, you can create a gentle mouth rinse that, when used regularly, can help lift those pesky coffee and wine stains right off your enamel. Not only does it brighten your smile, but it also kills bacteria, promoting overall oral health. Just remember to use it sparingly. Overuse can lead to sensitivity. 2. Wound care. Hydrogen peroxide is a household staple when it comes to treating minor cuts and scrapes. It works by releasing oxygen when it comes into contact with the skin, which foams up and helps to lift dirt and debris from the wound. This process not only cleanses the area but also kills harmful bacteria that could cause infections. Applying hydrogen peroxide to a wound can help speed up the healing process, ensuring that you stay safe and infection-free. However, it's important to use it wisely. Overuse can damage healthy tissue, so only use it as a first step in wound care. 3. Skin brightening. Dealing with dark spots or uneven skin tone? Hydrogen peroxide might be your new skincare secret. This versatile liquid can help lighten hyperpigmentation and even out your complexion. When applied in a diluted form to dark spots, it gently exfoliates the top layer of skin, revealing fresher, more even skin beneath. It's like having a mini chemical peel at home. Over time, with consistent use, you'll start to see a noticeable difference in the clarity and brightness of your skin. Just be sure to test a small area first to ensure your skin doesn't react negatively. 4. Ear infection relief. If you've ever suffered from an ear infection, you know how uncomfortable and painful it can be. Hydrogen peroxide can offer relief by helping to clear out the infection. When diluted and dropped into the ear, it works to soften earwax and eliminate bacteria that might be causing the infection. You'll often feel a slight bubbling sensation. This is the hydrogen peroxide breaking down the earwax and releasing oxygen. It's a simple, effective, and safe remedy to try before reaching for stronger medications. 5. Foot fungus treatment. Foot fungus can be stubborn and embarrassing, but hydrogen peroxide offers a powerful solution. Its antifungal properties make it an excellent remedy for conditions like athlete's foot. By soaking your feet in a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water, you can kill the fungus that causes the infection, while also soothing the skin and reducing inflammation. Regular soaks can help to prevent the fungus from coming back, leaving your feet healthy and fungus-free. It's a natural and effective way to keep your feet in top shape. 6. Sinus infection relief. When your sinuses are clogged, it can feel like there's no escape from the pressure and pain. Hydrogen peroxide, when used in a nasal spray, can help clear up sinus infections by killing the bacteria and viruses responsible for the congestion. A diluted solution can be gently sprayed into the nostrils, where it works to break down mucus and reduce inflammation, allowing you to breathe easier. It's a simple, non-invasive remedy that can provide much-needed relief when you're feeling stuffed up. 7. Immune System Booster. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense against illness, and hydrogen peroxide can play a surprising role in keeping it strong. When used correctly, food-grade hydrogen peroxide can help oxygenate the body's cells, making it harder for harmful pathogens to thrive. By adding just a few drops of diluted hydrogen peroxide to your drinking water, and only under professional guidance, you can boost your immune system and help your body fight off infections more effectively. It's a unique approach to wellness that harnesses the power of oxygen to keep you healthy. 8. Mouthwash alternative. Bad breath and gum problems don't stand a chance against hydrogen peroxide. As a natural antiseptic, it's a fantastic alternative to traditional mouthwashes, which often contain alcohol and other harsh chemicals. Hydrogen peroxide works by killing the bacteria that cause bad breath and gum disease, leaving your mouth clean and fresh. Simply mix it with water and swish it around your mouth for a minute before spitting it out. Not only does it leave your breath fresh, but it also helps to whiten your teeth and promote overall oral health. 9. Toothache relief. Toothaches can strike at the worst times, and finding quick relief is crucial. Hydrogen peroxide can help by reducing the bacterial load in your mouth, which is often a major cause of tooth pain. By swishing a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water around the affected area, you can help reduce inflammation and kill the bacteria causing the discomfort. It's a temporary solution that can offer significant relief until you can see a dentist. Plus, it's a natural option, free from the harsh chemicals found in many over-the-counter pain relievers. 10. Natural deodorant. In a pinch and need a quick fix for body odor? Hydrogen peroxide might be the answer. Because it's a natural antibacterial agent, it can kill the odor-causing bacteria that thrive in warm, moist environments like your underarms. By dabbing a little hydrogen peroxide under your arms, you can stay fresh and odor-free throughout the day without the need for traditional deodorants, which often contain harmful chemicals like aluminum. It's a simple, natural alternative that works wonders, especially in emergency situations. 11. Household cleaner. Keeping your home clean and germ-free is essential for your health, and hydrogen peroxide is a powerful, non-toxic cleaner that can help. It's especially effective on surfaces that come into contact with food, like countertops and cutting boards, because it kills bacteria and viruses without leaving harmful residues. You can also use it to sanitize your toothbrushes, clean your bathroom, or even freshen up your laundry. It's a versatile cleaner that helps maintain a healthy home environment, reducing your exposure to germs and harmful chemicals. 12. Detox bath. After a long day, there's nothing quite like a detox bath to help you unwind and rejuvenate. Adding hydrogen peroxide to your bathwater can enhance the detoxification process by helping to remove toxins from your skin and body. The oxygen released by the hydrogen peroxide helps to open up your pores, allowing your skin to breathe and detoxify more effectively. This soothing soak can also help to relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's a simple yet luxurious way to boost your wellness routine. 13. Hair lightening. If you've ever wanted to add natural highlights to your hair without using harsh chemicals, hydrogen peroxide is a fantastic option. When diluted and applied to your hair, hydrogen peroxide gently lightens the strands by breaking down the melanin pigment. For a subtle, sun-kissed look, spray a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water onto your hair before spending time in the sun. Over time, you'll notice lighter, natural-looking highlights that give your hair a fresh, vibrant appearance. It's an easy, at-home solution for a brighter, more youthful look. 14. Cold sore remedy. Cold sores are not only painful but also unsightly, making you want to get rid of them as quickly as possible. Hydrogen peroxide can help speed up the healing process by killing the virus that causes cold sores. When applied directly to the sore, hydrogen peroxide dries it out and helps prevent the spread of the virus. This simple treatment can reduce the duration of the cold sore and make it less painful, allowing you to get back to feeling like yourself sooner. It's a fast, effective remedy that you can easily do at home. 15. Insect bite relief. Insect bites can be itchy, irritating, and even painful, but hydrogen peroxide offers quick relief. When applied to the bite, it helps to disinfect the area and reduce inflammation, which can ease the itching and prevent infection. The cooling effect of the hydrogen peroxide also helps to soothe the skin, making the bite less bothersome. It's a simple, effective solution that can make those pesky bug bites a little more bearable, whether you're at home or out enjoying nature. And there you have it. 15 incredible health and wellness benefits of hydrogen peroxide that everyone should know. Whether you're looking to improve your oral health, boost your immune system, or find natural remedies for everyday issues, hydrogen peroxide might just be the answer you've been searching for. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next